Good morning, challengers. Today is day 3. I just wanted to send this video to you and check in and see how everyone is doing. I meant to send another video a few days ago. I wanted to see if any of you are having any questions about doing the 21-day fix challenge with me. Like I said, I'm calling this the 21-day summer slim down. Obviously, everyone has received their challenge pack, and you have your food color-coded food portion control containers. As I was mentioning, that in the eating plan, actually, I take that back. Is it in the eating plan? So in the, excuse me, here it is. In the start here, that's where our, and you can see my book has been used quite a bit, but that's where the calendar is. That's where the workout calendar is that we're using. So today being day 3, we're doing either, we're doing the lower fix program. So yesterday was upper fix. How's it going for fitness for everyone? I hope everyone's doing well. If you have any questions, let's see here. I'm just kind of going through the, this is the eating plan here. The eating plan and the calorie charts. And so I'm trying to find it here. You should have already gone through the get started and 5 simple steps page right here. This is on page 4 of the eating plan. And in here, it goes through and it figures out what your daily calorie level should be. So, you know, you're taking your current weight in pounds times 11, that equals your caloric baseline. And then part B is your caloric baseline plus 400, that's the fixed calorie burn. That then equals your caloric needs. So then part C is your caloric needs minus 750, which is your caloric deficit. That equals your calorie target, okay? So then based on your calorie target, so they have an example in here on page 5. So for example, somebody that's in the 1200 to 1499 calories, you know, and that's, then you go over, let's try to find it really quick here. So here's the calorie chart, okay? And that's all on page 19. So somebody that's in the 1200 to 1499 calories, they're going to be eating, now this is for the entire day. You're going to have 3 of the green containers, 3 of these, and then two purples. Obviously you're not going to eat these, but the foods, and then you've gone through what goes in the container food groups. So like here, portion 101. And I'm just kind of going through this really quick. I want to give everybody an overview. So the green container, that's, you know, kale and collard greens and spinach and Brussels sprouts and so on. They've listed all of the most healthy greens at the top, and then all the way down to the bottom is the kind of the least healthy. Purple is raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, watermelon, cantaloupe, and so on. And, you know, in a lot of these, they'll give you, like kiwis, you could have 2 medium kiwis is going to equal 1 of these purple containers. The red container, that's your meats, sardines, boneless, skinless chicken or turkey breast, lean ground chicken or turkey, fish, freshwater, like catfish, tilapia, trout, and then fish, cold water, wild caught, cod, salmon, halibut, tuna, so on. So there's a whole list of all of the foods that go into the red container. Yellow, this is all of your like carbohydrates, So sweet potatoes, yams, it goes all the way down to tortillas. You know, yesterday was Taco Tuesday, and so if you're wanting to know, okay, how many taco shells can I have? It says 2 small 6-inch corn tortillas is equivalent to what one of these yellow containers would be. Blue, that's your avocados, almonds, cashews, peanuts, you know, goat cheese, Parmesan cheese. So that's where all that fits into. Orange is pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, olives, peanuts, and then all of the, let's see, do I have the orange one? Here's the orange one. And then all of the 21-day fix dressings, you know, you probably saw in here on page 56 that they've got recipes for the dressings. And then making sure the video is still going here. Let's see, so that was the orange. So I went through all those. So again, going back to page 19 where the calorie chart is, that's where it's going to tell you based on your caloric intake calculation that you did, how many of the green, purple, red, blue, or yellow, blue, orange, and then there's the teaspoon. You probably saw that going back to, that's going to tell you how many of those per day for your 6 meals that you're going to have. All right, and I do want to go back and tell you that where is it here? Shakeology. Your Shakeology that you're drinking every day, that is part of the red container, so you can count that as 1 red. All right. There was the spoons. Yeah, the teaspoons. So teaspoon, that goes for extra virgin olive oil, flaxseed oil, walnut oil, you know, any of your oils that you're going to use for cooking. So you're going to get based on a teaspoon of that. And then all the free foods, this is, you know, as much water as you want. Obviously, water is good for us. Let's drink up. You know, lemon, lime juice, vinegars, mustard, herbs, spices, garlic, ginger, hot sauce. It says Tabasco or Mexican only. Flavor extracts like pure vanilla, peppermint, almond, and then again the 21-day fix seasoning mixes, which it says in here on page 42 and 43. So there's a lot of really great tools in here to help, you know, fuel our body with the healthy nutrition that it needs. It goes through and it talks about replacement foods and the container groups. For example, the yellow here, this is all on page 38. Beverages, milk, cows, non-fat, soy milk, almond milk, coconut water. All of these are going to fit into that yellow container. Recipes. So I'm just kind of going through this a little bit. There's like seasoning mixes that you can mix up to, you know, for your some of the foods that you want to cook. There's you know, recipes. Here's a baked chicken breast recipe, and so on. But I'll stop going through that. You know, I just kind of wanted to go through the containers. Everybody has fun with these containers. I've heard lots of jokes about the color-coded food portion control containers. I did say at the beginning we're on day 3 doing the today's the lower fix. I wanted to find out if anyone has any questions for me. I'm gonna be posting today in our Facebook group the day 3 post, and I believe it's all about Shakeology, and I'm going to provide a recipe, a suggested recipe on that. How's it going for all of you with your Shakeology, your different, the flavor that you purchased? I know a lot of you purchased the vanilla, which is a great flavor, and it allows you to add other, you know, ingredients into it. I often use the vanilla Shakeology, because I love to add frozen bananas and frozen strawberries to it. I have a really delicious recipe for a pina colada Shakeology. Obviously, it's minus the alcohol, but it still is very good. I will email that to everyone. And trying to think what else I wanted to make sure that I included here. Oh, I do really want to have everyone participate in the group. So if you would please, each day, just go ahead and take a couple minutes out of your day, and even a minute, and put a post in there about how you're doing with your challenge, how's it going with the fitness. Let me know if you're having any struggles with doing this challenge. You know, you shared with me what your goals are, and as your coach, I am here to help all of you achieve your goals. You know, it's really important for me. I've got a passion for this, and I want to help everybody.